Okay, let's start with the session today. Hello guys, so today we are going to learn about the verb and their forms. So here is the verb. So what we are going to learn today is V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. There are 5 forms of verb. Okay, so we are going to learn one by one. Here I have given some example of it. Once we learn everything in today's session, after that we will be able to solve all these things. Okay, for example, many of you would be aware of go, went, gone, going and goes. Likewise pinch, 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 pinching, pinches. So here es is there. So just look at the forms of the verb, like it is ending with ing, it has s or es at the end. Okay, so pull, pulls, give, gives. Like this we have multiple examples over here. So after completion of this course, try to solve this. Okay, wherever question mark is there, you guys are going to solve it and give the answers in the comment. Okay, so there are 3 forms of verb which we are going to learn. For example, to be is there, to have and to do. Okay, so first of all we are going to learn to be's form in present tense, past tense and future tense. So to be form in present tense, these helping verbs are used like am, is and are. In past tense, was and were. In future tense, shall be and will be. Next, to have forms have, has. In past tense, had is there. In future tense, will have or shall have. Likewise, we have to do forms, do or does. In past tense, it is did. Okay, so let's learn more about the verbs. I hope it is interesting to you. So let's solve some example. For example, he does not play well. Try to solve this simple sentences over here which I have written for you guys. He does not play well. Look at the helping verbs which are there. Does not. So here does not, where it is? It is in to be's format. It comes under to do's format. Sorry, as you can see over here, to do. Do or does. It is in present tense, right? So it is the present tense in this sentence. Next, she has not reached here yet. She has not reached here. In this sentence, you guys need to focus on which helping verb is there and in which format it is, like to be, to have or to do. Here has is there, means to have forms are there, to have and has. So it is also the present tense. Next, they had made it. Now had is in past tense, right? Past format of to have, right? Likewise, you guys are going to solve one by one all the sentences which I have listed over here. Try to solve all the sentences. Look at the sentence, randomly take any sentence. They do not go, right? They do not go. See which helping verbs are there. It is do. So format is to do. So in the format, tense is present tense. Likewise, you guys are going to solve all the sentences over here and try to search many sentences. Now you guys have AI assistants with you, right? So with the help of AI, try to find out more sentences of all the forms which I have written over here, to be, to have and to do. And in that, try to solve present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, there are multiple examples available on the AI. You can simply go on ChatGPT, ask it to create simple examples for it. Okay, So let's move forward. Now we are going to see in detail if V1 or V5 is there, right? V1 or V5. V1, then what is V1 and V5? You need to scroll up and check. V1 is go, V5 is goes, right? Pinch, pinches. Give, gives. Means simple pure form of verb and the verb which have s or es written at its end. So likewise you need to go and check v1 or v5, go or goes. So it is simple present tense. Hope you guys are understanding what I am trying to tell you. Okay, so it is simple present tense. Next is v2. V2 went. Go, goes and went, right? Simple past. Next, let's move forward. To have plus V3. Okay. To have plus V3. Any perfect tense. Any. It might be perfect present tense, perfect past tense, right? Perfect future tense. Likewise, to have plus V3 should be there. V3 means, what is V3 for the go? Okay, v3, this one, that is gone. Okay, likewise you need to solve and check everything is written over here in the same document. Okay, next, to be plus v4. V4 means ing, right? So to be plus ing, any continuous. Okay, so let's move a little bit forward in this lecture. Okay, V3 is perfect tense. This is take out note for the session. Okay. V4 ing, that is continuous tense. Okay. Next, been is equals to perfect. Like this you need to solve. Okay. Note that V3, V4 will not alone verb, will not come as alone. They will come with their helping verb. Verb is equal to helping verb plus main verb. For example, going, that is, which format is there? Going is V4, right? Going. So she is going, that is, go is the main verb, helping verb is, and main verb will come here. Okay, is going ing. Okay, so this is the v4 and v3 gone, right? Gone will come with the helping verb, that is has, have or had, right? So with the help of this, we are going to solve the following examples. Let's solve it, guys, together. He was sleeping on sofa. You need to focus on which helping verb is there. It is was, right? And ing form is there, right? So this is continuous tense. This is the answer, right? Continuous. But which continuous tense? It is the past continuous tense. Okay, continuous past. Next is he is calling, right? Is there. Am is are. Okay, am is are comes under the present tense. So this is continuous present tense. Just see the sentence and focus on which helping verb is there in that particular sentence, and then check which verb format is there: v1, v2, v3, v4. Likewise you will be able to solve all these examples. Let me know if you guys are able to solve all these 14 examples or not. Okay, first of all, solve all these examples and let me know if you have any doubt in the comments. Okay, I want all the answers you guys to be solved, right? And give me the answer. Just don't go copy all these sentences and paste it over ChatGPT and tell me the answers. No, just take some efforts, learn the things, make your concept clear, and then try to solve everything which I have written in this document. Okay, so solve it and let me know the answers. Thank you. Okay guys, let's move forward. Okay, verb is equals to helping verb plus main verb. So let's understand this. Okay, this is am, is, are, right? Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did. All these are helping verbs, right? As you can see over here, helping verb, right? Helping verb, and shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might. So what I have written over here, shall, all these are the helping verbs which we are going to use in coming sentences or day-to-day life, right? So let's check about singular verb, plural verb, right? So you guys might have seen multiple times like what is singular form of this verb, what is the plural form of this verb, that we are going to solve today. So singular. In singular, this following helping verbs comes under the singular verb. For example, is, was, has, does, that is V5 format, right? Or runs. Okay, V5 format would also come under the singular format. Next is simple or perfect tense. Simple or perfect common. Did, had. In simple tense, did is there. Okay, all modal auxiliaries. So these are the modal auxiliaries which I have written over here. These all are modal auxiliaries. So what is the modal auxiliaries? We are going to understand everything. What is the use of should, what is the use of could, everything we are going to cover in the modal auxiliary topic. Over here you just need to know these all are modal auxiliaries. Okay, so all modal auxiliaries comes here, simple or perfect common. Next is plural, singular and plural. Is there in singular, so are is there in plural, right? Was is there in singular, so were is there in plural, right? Has is there in the singular format of verb, so have is there in the plural form. Here V1 comes, V1, that is main form, right? Which we have seen, go, right? Go. That is the V1, right? So guess let's guess which verb format is there, right? Let's guess the tense. For example, plucks, right? Plucks. As S is there, right? S is written. So this is where it comes, does, right? Runs, goes, does, right? So which tense is there? Yes, V5, right? V5. You can check by scrolling up, right? V1 or V5 is in simple present tense. Okay, so plucks is the simple present tense. Okay, whether it is singular or plural, so it is singular, right? Singular. Mid, what is it? Mid is the V2 form, right? V2, make, mid, right? So in which term it will come, like singular or plural? You guys give me answer in the comment. Likewise, guess for the remaining examples which I have given here, like does not say, will not open, cleans, fill. Fill is V1, right? So V1 comes for plural, right? Close, it is also V1, so it is also plural thing. Likewise, try to solve this things like was calling. As you can see, was calling. Was is singular or plural? If you are not able to understand, just scroll up and try to see where the helping verbs are there, right? Was is here. So was is singular, simple. Okay, is saying, is. Now where is this is? Just scroll up and check, is here, singular, right? So likewise, just focus on the helping verbs and the forms. If was is there or were is there, has is there or have is there or are is there, with the help of this helping verb, you guys would be able to understand whether it is singular or plural. So try to segregate the things, right? With the help of this, you guys would be able to speak English in daily life. For example, she is cooking, right? So this is singular, she is cooking. Okay, now if the couple is cooking, right? So we both are cooking, so here are is there, so that would be in plural. Likewise, you guys solve the examples in daily life, try to implement all these things in your day-to-day life. Then and then only you guys would be able to prepare to speak in English, to write in English, everything. Once your grammar is clear, you are ready to go to use it in your daily life. Okay, I hope you guys understanding the teaching of mine. Let me know if you have any doubt in the comment, and I want the answers of all these questions. I want which is singular, I want which is plural. Try to make the chart, try to make the different table, one table, two different column like singular verb, plural verb amongst this. Okay, so likewise solve the everything. Thank you.